Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the latest and greatest tools and gadgets to take your gardening game to the next level. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our helpful content. Today, we're taking a closer look at the T-shaped compost spreader peat moss handle for planting seeding metal mesh lawn and garden manure spreaders roller. This incredible tool is a must-have for anyone looking to make their gardening tasks a breeze. First and foremost, this compost spreader is designed with the utmost quality and durability in mind. Made with a sturdy metal mesh and a comfortable peat moss handle, you can trust that this tool will withstand the test of time, no matter how tough the job may be. But what really sets this spreader apart is its T-shaped design, allowing for even and efficient distribution of compost, manure, or any other materials you need to spread. This means no more clumps, no more missed spots, just a beautifully spread layer every time. Whether you're planting, seeding, or simply maintaining your lawn and garden, this spreader is the perfect companion. It's easy to use, effective, and saves you time and energy, making your gardening experience that much more enjoyable. So, if you're ready to take your gardening to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the T-shaped compost spreader peat moss handle for planting seeding metal mesh lawn and garden manure spreaders roller. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Happy gardening!